Here with us now to discuss Market Gates Group Managing Director Michelle Snyder. Michelle, let's talk about the importance of charts, the importance of the kind of buy and sell signals you get from them. How do you employ them?
Well, we like to look at the charts with the moving averages because they tell you about phases. So a perfect example that we can use today really is NASDAQ, which dropped all the way down to the 50-day moving average yesterday and then today held it. So that gives you a great level of support. And on the flip side, when something clears a 50-day moving average that's been below it, then we look at it as a phase change to something more positive, and now you have another pivotal area to look at. So it's really important to have some kind of price history. This way you can really tune out the noise and focus strictly on what the charts are telling you to do.
Now, for me, the charts are also partly behavioral analysis because you know this is where either the weekends sold before or where buyers emerged before. So you've got this sort of history of current holders and you know what they did. And I guess the idea is if they hold there, then, you know, there's not going to be any more downside pressure, something like that. I mean, is that why they seem to work so well?
Well, yeah, you have a lot of institutional investors and now a lot more retail investors looking at the same chart, so there is that. But really, basically, what it's telling you is that the technicals often will precede the fundamentals. So if you take an example, let's say like Tilray, in the past, it started to move out of its range of the 50-day moving average long before all of the fundamental news came out about it selling medical weed to Europe, for example. So that's why it's so important to look at the charts. It could be a lagging indicator, but it really gives you information about what could happen going forward.
You know, Michelle, real quick, I know you like regional banks. I know you like transportation. Boeing acting great today. You still, and I've got less than 30 seconds, but you still think those are places people can make some money right now?
I think so, especially if we get any kind of talk of an infrastructure package, which of course we know is buzzing around right now. A lot of those stocks are taking off. It is. Well, then there you go.
How about another $2 or $3 trillion? All right, Michelle, thank you very much. Liz Clayman.